Yep, what up, Jack?
諗老天保佑金山银山前路有，老天教唆别管江湖烈虎斗，老天叮嘱这辈子我三不丢，老天就怕346雷中打球。Yeah!
Alright, so we are in Hong Kong at the moment. Today is actually the second or third day. Well, I would say it's the second day in Hong Kong. We arrived from Shenzhen on Monday. Today is Wednesday. And yeah, I've been exploring the city the past few days, but decided not to record or to film anything, as we just simply wanted to like enjoy the vibe, especially coming from Shenzhen. Like the trip, we felt quite tired, to be honest, so we just wanted to like go around. We went to Mongkok, took a few nice pictures, and just like felt a little bit the vibe of the city.
Got two girls in the car, and I don't know what to do. I fell in love with me, I fell in love with you.
Behind the scenes, Instagram.
I fell in love with me, fell in love with you.
Right, you have to try this pineapple bun. Which one is it?
Hay este
¿Este de aquí?
y este es como
¿Qué diferencia,
fire, no sé qué, ponía fire. Los dos son pineapple, lo demás es todo sabores normales.
Probamos el clásico. Probamos
El clásico, sí, el de 8, ¿no?
El de 8. ¿No?
Sí, lo partimos, bro.
Ya, pídelo, campeón.
Alright guys, this is it. We heard that this place cooks their own bread, so we wanted to try it. Let's try it.
Ya va, a ver qué tal. ¿Bueno?
Muy bueno.
¿Sí? A ver,
Es un pan dulce.
Pero, do you notice the pineapple? No?
It's like a sweet bread. It's like a bread with sugar.
It's like a muffin, no?
Está muy bueno.
I wonder, fire one? Maybe it has pineapple inside.
Maybe it's caramelized. I don't know.
It's like a sweet, it's nice.
Yeah, she said something like, I don't know the difference, but it's good. I mean, it's tasty. It's like a bread with sugar. Of course, it's tasty. Vamos.
I approve.
Yeah, I come out and play. Show face, some way, just think. Show me how you think for now, cause I showed you the light that your girl won't hold you. I told you, I need you, like now. I need you to pull up, give me face right now. I pop out in the city, show face, some way. I pop out in the city, okay, bang, bang, need money, go, go.
And here we go. One more day of rain. This is crazy, man. This is crazy. Well, theoretically today it says it should be getting better by the day, so hopefully in the afternoon it gets better. So here we go. We are now on our fourth day, on our way to the basketball court. Hopefully the weather will behave. It's still raining, so I'll report back in a bit.
Madre mía, es lo más malo que he visto en mucho tiempo, ¿eh?
No me quedo ninguna.
Push with me.
Me.
Okay, 3.
¡Wow!
¡Ahí viene Stephen Curry! Something for the camera.
2
weeks.
2 weeks?
Shanghai, Guangzhou, Shenzhen, Hong Kong. Yeah, 2 weeks. Shanghai, Guangzhou, Shenzhen, Hong Kong.
Long time here. This is me.
El famoso youtuber de España.
Man, it was so much fun before. We went into this basketball court and we met this these kids. They were playing basketball. It was so much fun. We were playing with them. And then all of a sudden, I think Mickey said that I had a YouTube channel, or I don't know, they asked or whatever. And then they all came to us oh, can I have your Instagram? Can I see your channel? Blah, blah, blah. And then they all wanted to take a photo with us. For a second, we can experience how it feels to be famous, but they were all super, super cute. We follow each other back. And yeah, that's so nice, you know, used to connect with people. In this case, they were kids, you know.
It all started because we were playing basketball.
Yeah, we were playing basketball.
So I was like, can we play? And they're like, yes.
Where did we had the ball. I don't know where did the ball come from.
Yes.
But yeah, then we were playing with them. But yeah, these kind of interactions, they're so nice. They were trying to speak English. I think they were probably still learning. And then also, I think it was on the first day or second day that we were here, when we went to the Monster building, we met this guy called Milton. If you're seeing this, you're the man. He was nice. He just came to us. He was interested in knowing like where we come from and why we were in Hong Kong and all of that. And yeah, just nice to hear stories from other people. So now we are on our way to Victoria Peak. This is the last stop that we have in Hong Kong. Then tomorrow we have our flight back to Amsterdam. So the trip is coming to an end.
Can't believe it.
Yeah, after 15 days. So yeah, let's see what's up there and catch you in a minute. Whew. And now going up to a hike for a viewpoint in Hong Kong. Whew. Jeez, that's an interesting one, huh? Alright, so it seems we are on the right path. We are supposed to see one of the best views of Hong Kong from up here. So we will see. We will see if that's true or not. For now, I can enjoy the hike. Mickey, I don't know if he's enjoying it too much.
I wanna see you doing better. All black, they can see me in a ghost. Make it back, all I ever needed was hope. If you take a fall, can you fall on your folks? You taking care of solid and it's all that she wrote. I gotta be the son, I gotta be the one. Nah, I can be the one that call and joke. Can't nobody help it when you call, you revoke. Always been the first, I be cleaner than soap.
So we just made it down from Victoria Peak. It turned out to be a little bit of a fail because we actually couldn't find the good spot, but we managed to more or less take some good pictures and so on. And now I'm actually just down below the hotel that we are staying, because I'm gonna actually fly the drone. So hopefully it's gonna work out. I mean, I checked the DJI app and I think this area should be good to go, should be safe to fly. I have a DJI Mini 3, so I think I'm good to go. So let's have a look at it and hopefully it's gonna work out.
Outside in that damn G, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. Still with the dogs that I grew beside. All the niggas wild.
Alright, so I just flew the drone. I think I got quite some sick shots. The crazy thing is that I was getting quite close to the sea, and then I lost the signal with the drone, so it said no GPS and I couldn't see anything in the screen, so I panicked a little bit. But then thank God the signal returned, and I was able to send it back home. And yeah, I took I think good videos, not the ones that I would have loved, because I really wanted to get closer to the big skyscrapers, but I think it's still good enough. Also with the shots during the day, that's quite cool. And maybe tomorrow I'll give it one last try before we head into the airport. So with that being said, catch you tomorrow on the last day. Peace. Gym time! That's it.
Whoa. Shout out, you better.
Alright, so last day in Hong Kong. Decided to come to the gym just to get ourselves a bit tired. We have a flight today at 11 p.m. So we have a few hours to kill. We have to check out at 1. So right after we'll probably go explore a little bit the city for one last time. Then we'll probably take the metro or the Uber straight to the airport, and then just like simply wait for our flight. So yeah, some gym now, so we can get tired for the flight and we can sleep like babies. That's it. I'll probably see you in the airport later.
We on the walk by the beach, to the Monaco, to the Portugal, on the roller coaster, steady. Coming home close, baby. Keep it warm and moist, ooh. I show you how to live. Put you down, I can show you how to count it. Barely talk, but she give me all kind of look. For the cloud, I can show you how to make it flip. I pull up a pop, I show 'em what it is.